afternoon. How you doing? We are here in Florida. Got my main man, Big Rick, right there. It's the man who got me started in real estate when I was 10. I was really grounded. Going to take a look at a midterm rental we're buying in Tampa. We'll see when we get there. Take a look at this beauty right here. So the renos are almost done on this thing. Got a fridge on the front porch. That's always fun. Floors, fans. Bedroom over here. Bathroom, nice tile work. Nice vanity. Bedroom number 2. Laundry room, dining room. Kitchen's nice and pretty. And that concludes the tour of this beautiful house right here in Florida. We are in Tampa. This is going to be a midterm rental. Partners did an awesome job on this one. I'm the equity partner, but I'm in town. Had to come check it out. Take care. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.